Did you know crocodiles can go through over 4,000 teeth in their lifetime? Let's sink our teeth into this wild fact. At any given time, a crocodile has between 60 to 110 razor-sharp teeth, perfect for grabbing prey and crunching through bone. But those teeth don't last forever. Here's the cool part. When a croc loses a tooth, there's already a backup tooth growing underneath it, like a conveyor belt of deadly daggers. And this happens up to 50 times per tooth. Some crocodiles live up to 100 years. Do the math, replacing 100 teeth 50 times each. That's over 4,000 teeth in a lifetime. Talk about dental commitment. And they need all those teeth. Crocodiles don't chew. They bite, tear, and swallow whole chunks of prey. This brutal feeding style wears their teeth down fast. So nature gave them a built-in upgrade system. Next time you see a crocodile smiling, remember, there's a whole arsenal hiding in that jaw. If you love cool animal facts, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more wild animal facts every week.